Did you know that apple cider vinegar has been used as a health remedy for over 2,000 years? Let's uncover the timeless secrets of this ancient elixir. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of apple cider vinegar. We'll explore its role in boosting digestion, enhancing skin health, and even regulating blood sugar levels. Join us as we delve into each of these 9 benefits, backed by science, to show you why apple cider vinegar deserves a spot in your daily routine. Stick around till the end, because we're not only revealing these benefits, but also sharing some easy ways to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your daily life. You don't want to miss these practical tips that can make a real difference in your health journey. Benefit number 9, enhances digestive health. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is more than just a kitchen staple, it's a digestive powerhouse. When it comes to aiding digestion, ACV works wonders. It contains acetic acid, which helps break down food in the stomach, making it easier for your body to digest and absorb nutrients. ACV can actually increase stomach acid levels, which might sound scary, but it's incredibly beneficial for those who suffer from conditions like acid reflux, which are often caused by too little stomach acid, not too much. Moreover, ACV is known to stimulate digestive enzymes, the little helpers that break down your food into nutrients. This means that with a little help from ACV, your body can extract more goodness from the food you eat. And for those who often feel bloated or gassy after meals, ACV can be a simple yet effective remedy. Benefit number 8, promotes healthy blood sugar levels. Moving on to blood sugar management, ACV plays a significant role. It's not a cure-all, but it can be a helpful tool, especially for those managing diabetes. ACV has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can better handle sugar from the foods you eat. This is crucial for keeping blood sugar levels stable. One of the most shocking facts about ACV is its ability to lower blood sugar responses after meals. In some studies, consuming ACV with a high-carb meal reduced blood sugar spikes by about 20%. This is a big deal for anyone looking to keep their blood sugar in check, whether they're diabetic or just health-conscious. Benefit number 7, improves heart health. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is not just a culinary ingredient. It's a potent ally for your heart. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death globally, and managing risk factors like cholesterol and blood pressure is key to prevention. This is where ACV steps in, offering remarkable benefits for heart health. ACV's impact on cholesterol levels is one of its most celebrated heart-healthy properties. Cholesterol, a fatty substance in your blood, comes in 2 types: LDL, or low-density lipoprotein, often termed bad cholesterol, and HDL, or high-density lipoprotein, known as good cholesterol. High levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. ACV helps in reducing these LDL levels while maintaining or even improving the HDL levels. This balance is essential for a healthy cardiovascular system, as HDL cholesterol helps remove other forms of cholesterol from your bloodstream. But the benefits of ACV for heart health don't stop at cholesterol management. Another significant aspect is its ability to lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. High blood pressure puts extra strain on your heart and arteries, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. ACV helps in reducing blood pressure by promoting the relaxation of blood vessels. This relaxation allows for better blood flow and reduced strain on the heart. Moreover, the potassium found in ACV is another heart-healthy component. Potassium is a key mineral that helps negate the effects of sodium in the diet, a common contributor to high blood pressure. By maintaining a healthy balance of potassium, ACV aids in keeping blood pressure levels stable. Incorporating ACV into your diet can be simple. It can be used in salad dressings, marinades, or diluted in water as a drink. However, It's important to remember that ACV should be a part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle for optimal heart health. Benefit number 6, aids in weight loss. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has gained a reputation as a weight loss aid, and for good reasons. One of its key components, acetic acid, plays a significant role in weight management. Here's how it works. ACV can help control your appetite. It does this by slowing down how fast food leaves your stomach, which can make you feel fuller for longer. This means you might end up eating less throughout the day, a simple yet effective way to support weight loss. But there's more. ACV can also boost your metabolism, the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. A faster metabolism means your body burns calories more efficiently, which is crucial for shedding those extra pounds. Studies have shown that ACV can reduce fat storage in the body and even break down fats more effectively. This makes it not just a tool for weight loss, but also for maintaining a healthy body composition. Benefit number 5, boosts skin health. Moving on to skin health, ACV is a hidden gem. Its natural acidity is similar to the acidity of our skin, making it a great match for skincare. ACV can help balance the pH levels of your skin, which is vital for keeping your skin healthy and preventing issues like dryness or oiliness. For those struggling with acne, ACV can be particularly beneficial. Its antibacterial properties help keep acne-causing bacteria at bay, reducing breakouts and promoting clearer skin. But ACV isn't just for acne. It can also be a soothing agent for conditions like eczema. Eczema sufferers often have a higher skin pH, which exacerbates their symptoms. By applying diluted ACV to the skin, you can help restore its natural acidity, providing relief from eczema's itchiness and irritation. Benefit number 4, enhances hair health. When it comes to hair health, ACV is a powerhouse. It's particularly effective in improving scalp health and enhancing hair texture. ACV works by balancing the pH level of your scalp, just like it does for your skin. This balance is crucial for maintaining a healthy scalp and preventing issues like dandruff. Its natural acidity helps remove product buildup and excess oil, leaving your hair clean and shiny. But the benefits don't stop there. ACV can also strengthen your hair. It closes the hair cuticle, which not only makes your hair smoother, but also prevents breakage and split ends. This means healthier, stronger hair that's less prone to damage. And for those with curly or frizzy hair, ACV can be a natural detangler, making your hair easier to manage and style. Benefit number 3, natural detoxifier. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is often hailed as a natural detoxifier, and there's good reason for this. One of its primary roles is supporting liver health, the organ responsible for filtering toxins out of your body. ACV helps by promoting healthy liver function, which in turn boosts the body's natural detoxification processes. It's not just about cleansing in the trendy sense. It's about supporting the body's own systems to work more efficiently. ACV can actually help increase enzyme levels in the liver, which are crucial for breaking down toxins. This means that ACV doesn't just help your liver filter out toxins, it helps break them down, making it easier for your body to get rid of them. Additionally, ACV's acids bind to toxins, aiding in their removal from the body. This process not only supports liver health, but also contributes to overall wellness. Benefit number 2, soothes sore throat. Moving on to sore throats, ACV has been a traditional remedy for this ailment for centuries. Its effectiveness lies in its antibacterial properties. When you have a sore throat, it's often due to bacteria, and ACV can help tackle these unwelcome guests. By gargling with diluted ACV, you can create an environment in your throat that's hostile to bacteria, helping to reduce infection and alleviate soreness. ACV's acidic nature can also help break down mucus in the throat, providing relief from irritation. This makes it not just a bacteria fighter, but also a comfort provider when you're feeling under the weather. It's a simple, natural way to soothe a sore throat without resorting to over-the-counter medications. Benefit number 1: boosts energy levels. Lastly, let's talk about energy. ACV is known for its ability to boost energy levels and reduce fatigue. This might seem surprising for a vinegar, but the science behind it is quite straightforward. ACV contains potassium and enzymes that may help relieve that tired feeling. Think of it as a natural pick-me-up. Moreover, ACV can help stabilize blood sugar levels, which in turn can prevent those energy crashes that often happen after eating. Stable blood sugar means sustained energy throughout the day. This is particularly beneficial for those who experience afternoon slumps or have trouble maintaining energy levels. Incorporate ACV into daily life. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine can be a simple and effective way to enhance your health. Here are 5 diverse methods to use ACV without resorting to a list format. Starting your day with a morning tonic that includes ACV can be a great way to kickstart your digestive system. Mix a tablespoon of ACV into a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. This habit can help in detoxifying your body and boosting your metabolism. Some people find that this morning ritual also helps in stabilizing their energy levels throughout the day. ACV can also be creatively used in the kitchen, particularly in salad dressings. Instead of using store-bought dressings that are often high in calories and preservatives, you can make a healthier alternative at home. Mix ACV with olive oil, a bit of mustard, and some honey for a tangy and delicious salad dressing. This not only adds a burst of flavor to your salads, but also incorporates the health benefits of ACV into your meals. Another culinary use of ACV is in its marinades. Its acidic nature makes it an excellent ingredient for tenderizing meats. You can create a marinade by blending ACV with herbs, spices, and a bit of olive oil. This not only imparts a rich flavor to the meat, but also makes it more tender and digestible. For those looking for external applications, ACV can be a natural remedy for skin and hair care. Diluting ACV with water to create a skin toner is a cost-effective and simple way to maintain healthy skin. This toner can help balance the pH levels of your skin, reduce acne, and give your skin a healthy glow. Similarly, rinsing your hair with a diluted ACV solution after shampooing can leave your hair shiny and free from buildup. Lastly, ACV can be a soothing remedy for a sore throat. Gargling with a mixture of ACV and warm water can help alleviate throat pain. The antibacterial properties of ACV assist in fighting off infection, and its acidic nature helps break down mucus and soothe the throat. These diverse methods of incorporating ACV into your daily life show its versatility and the ease with which it can be included in both dietary and external applications. Whether it's starting your day with a health-boosting tonic, enhancing your meals, or using it for personal care, ACV offers a range of benefits that are simple to achieve. Today, we've explored 9 remarkable benefits of apple cider vinegar, from improving your digestive health to boosting your energy levels. This versatile natural remedy is more than just a kitchen ingredient, it's a powerhouse for your overall health. Remember, the simplest solutions are often right in our kitchen. Start exploring the benefits of apple cider vinegar today.